There are dinosaurs everywhere. And that's how I love the universe. Tonight we're drawing Ankylmon from Digimon Season 2. Ankylmon one of my favorite Digimon. For a reason, he has the shape of an ankylosaurus. Got this. Now that we got the skull completed, now we're gonna start with the armor on his back. I've got a few dinosaur facts you might be interested in. Alexa, what is Ankylosaurus?
Ankylosaurus is a genus of armored dinosaur. Its fossils have been found in geological formations dating to the very end of the Cretaceous period, about 68 to 66 million years ago, in western North America, making it among the last of the non-avian dinosaurs. It was named by Barnum Brown in 1908. The only species in the genus is A. magniventris.
Alexa, what is Sauropelta?
Sauropelta is a genus of notosaurid dinosaur that existed in the early Cretaceous period of North America. One species has been named, although others may have existed. Anatomically, Sauropelta is one of the most well-understood notosaurids, with fossilized remains recovered in the U.S. states of Wyoming, Montana, and possibly Utah.
Alexa, what is Cycania?
Cycania is a genus of herbivorous ankylosaurid dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period of Mongolia and China. The first fossils of Cycania were found in the early 1970s in Mongolia. In 1977, the type species Cycania chalcinensis was named. The description of this species has been based on limited fossil material, especially the rear of the animal is not well known.
Alexa, what is Polacanthus?
Here's something I found on the web. According to ucdavis.edu, engaging the public in polar research and education to foster awareness of climate change impacts on the unique natural, cultural, and societal features of the polar regions.
Me and you won't give in to the bad times, change the game. Forced to do it all without you, I'll survive. I learned from you what I should do. It's keep the good in mind, gotta keep my wish inside and believe in you. I hope it ain't too much, it's to stay with you, sure enough.
I believe it don't need a reason. All my doubts we take. I would listen to time to break it off and let it go.
No matter what, gotta keep your head up. It's yours and mine to decide. Now it's time to go. We can make it. No one can stop this now. There's a future in our heads. Don't care what's gonna pass. You're my family, and I'll never change our dream.
Alexa, what is Edmontonia?
Edmontonia is a genus of armored dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period. It is part of the Nodosauridae, a family within Ankylosauria. It is named after the Edmonton Formation, the unit of rock where it was found.
Spread your wings across, I was gonna take off. Running high to the sky, even if I cry. Never losing with the crew, let's get it on.
It's all for one, gather up your players. Head to head, share your finest flavors.
Nothing left to fear, now my path is clear. And if you at the place, I'll face
Me and you, we never need to stop till we break on through to the top.
for the biggest explosion, burning out of motion. Hot like a ticket bomb, let it set it out.
Keep going, we're going all the
Alexa,
way.
play Mighty Little Gecko.
Mighty Little Gecko by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
G is for a super lizard grip. E is for the strength of an elephant. You know that he's got courage, she's just got to believe. He's A-O-K-K-O, gecko. When the sun is up, he goes by gray. But in the night is when he sees the thing. You can hear him call, go chameleon. He's A-O-K-K-O, gecko. He might be small, but his heart is big. He might be young, but he's got super lizard grip. Sometimes he gets himself into some trouble, but he just needs to flex his super gecko muscle. In a simple situation called a super green sensation, he's a mighty little gecko. Sometimes he's a little shy, but you make that he's running high. He's a mighty little gecko. A mighty little gecko.
There's his club.
He's a mighty little gecko.
Alexa, play it again. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
G is for a super lizard grip. E is for the strength of an elephant. You know that he's got courage, she's just got to believe. He's A-O-K-K-O, gecko. When the sun is up, he goes by gray. But in the night is when he sees the thing. You can hear him call, go chameleon. He's A-O-K-K-O, gecko. He might be small, but his
Alexa, what is Tarkia?
Tarkia is a genus of herbivorous ankylosaurid dinosaur from the late Cretaceous of Mongolia.
situation called a super green sensation. He's a mighty little
Last piece to complete with for Ankylmon is the long club. For your information, it's the shape of a wrecking ball, and I think it looks great, and it does look great. Anyways, there he is. That's Ankylmon. I hope you all enjoyed this episode and enjoyed the dinosaur facts. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.